All right. Today I'm going to remove the two rear suspensions, this blade or swing arm here that is also going inside with the torsion bar, a twist bar. We will see that. It's the exact same technique as it was on the VW Beetles and the 365 Porsches. And I'm going to show how to remove it because that is under load. And so as soon as we open everything, that it will be dangerous because this torsion bar that will release, and you should not have your hands underneath here, but on top is no problem. And yeah, I'm going to show how to do it. There's two ways, one with a car jack and the other one there's even an extra tool for it, which I have for the Beetle, but here I can't mount it, so I will just use the jack to release the tension, and then we can remove that part as well. And then the rear is almost gone apart from the cabling. So first of all, I will put the jack underneath. First things first, like this, and I will also lift it against it so there is no sudden movement. That's the first part. Next, I'll open these 4 bolts. So at the moment, in this situation, I can safely open all of them because, as I said, the torsion bar that is basically in here, going inside here, is still under load, but I'm also counterbalancing it here, so it will not move anywhere. Still never go underneath this blade. There's no reason for it. You can pay attention. That's it. All right, that's screw number 4. And there's also a spacer, this one, and that only is on the bottom. That's a loose spacer here, so you can remove it. The other 3 are bolted or welded onto the chassis. All right, there we go. Now we have to take off this lid here. That's a lid that's over it. It's not tight anymore, but there's a rubber bushing behind it, so it's stuck on the rubber, so we can carefully just loosen it like this, and then from the bottom, again on the bottom, be more careful. At this moment there's no danger yet, but still. That one. right, there we go. And there we got it. That's what it is. It's very, very similar to the one on the VW Beetle. That's it. So this is the rubber bushing where it was sitting on. All right. So first of all, I'm gonna release it now, just to where it would come down anyway. Oh, that's it. Still hanging loose. Going against it again. So I want to measure the angle that it sits. I want to be able to come back to that. So now I'm just making this line here, just because I will not keep the paint anyway. That's the angle and where it's sitting when it's loose. So it's still loose because I want to set it to the original height afterwards, most likely. So that will help me to come back to it. Secondly, I forgot we have this lid on here. I have to remove it as well. Okay, got it. Because through this hole here, the arm needs to go. Otherwise I will not get it out of here. All right, so now the most difficult part, how do I get it out? Because there's still some tension, so I can use my tools here and then slowly work on it. Always remember, only touch it from the top. Even if it's clear, after 10 minutes you forget. Now more careful from the bottom, because it needs from both ends a little bit of movement. Top again. Okay. This is very useful. So from here it really moves well. You saw already the movement. You can see how it comes to further out. Already be very careful. Got it. And it's coming. Right, I'll let you see. And now we can finally take it out. Still tight. And there we go. We got it. There is no tension on the string anymore. This is how it's going. It's looking like. Now, of course, you're tempted to pull it out, but one thing I can recommend is also use some tape and make a marker so that you get the original setting. There's some grease on it. Remove it first. Tape won't stick otherwise. Yes. It kind of has to be straight, but not precise by the millimeter. Okay, that's it. Oh, by pulling and pushing. Yes, and now you can see and we got it. Now finally pushing that one further in and the sword further out through this hole, the chassis, and then it's just so coming apart. Yeah, that one is very rusty. We have to evaluate if you can still use it. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. Maybe I'll try the other way around. Like this. It's quite rusty. And this part is easily available, I think. So I might replace it, but we'll check. And the bar itself looks actually pretty good. Oh, there is some rust in it. No, it's only... It looks good. It's all grease, very nice. Take it out, get rid of the grease. Yeah, The bar itself is actually very nice. I can quickly explain how that works. So this is the bar. You can see that it's actually a nice shape, and you can see this outside here. This is the inner side, and then on the other side you can see it's bigger. So there's more teeth to it on the outside than on the inside. And actually that allows you to really precisely set the level of the height of the car. We're not planning to tune the car, but maybe I read that because it is an American production car, they have been delivered slightly higher than European cars, so I might set it back to the standard of the German production. We'll see. So now I'm going to take off the front fender, the side fenders, the hood as well in the front, so all the body parts. And next will then be the suspension, and then the cabling and few minor things, and then we're actually gone. So the goal of November is still on point.